Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance policies with State Farm, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary information regarding your current insurance policy with State Farm. Log into your State Farm account on their official website. Navigate to the Policies section to view your current insurance details. Identify the policy you wish to transfer. Locate the contact information for your State Farm agent. Reach out to your agent via phone or email to discuss your intention to transfer the policy. Provide your agent with any details they may need, including your current policy number. Discuss the reasons for the transfer and any changes you would like to make. Ask your agent about the implications of the transfer, including potential changes in rates or coverage. If you are transferring to a new location, provide your agent with the new address and any relevant information related to the change. Your agent will guide you through the options available for transferring your coverage. Once you have decided on the new policy details, your agent will prepare the necessary documents. Review the documents carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Sign the required forms to authorize the transfer. Submit any additional requested information, such as proof of address or updated vehicle information. After the transfer is processed, verify that your new policy is active and that coverage is in place. Keep a record of your new policy documents for your personal files. Contact your agent if you have any questions or need further clarification regarding your new policy. Follow up to ensure that the previous policy is canceled and that there are no overlaps in coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.